In this video, we're talking about Bless token, legit or scam. So let's get started. Before investing, guys, this video is not financial advice. Do your own research before taking any action. This is for education and only. This is a world-first shared computer, and this is next supercomputer will be one chain shared. So this is one chain shared, guys. You can use this token. This is how it works. You can install this extension on your browser Chrome, and you can start using this token, and you can connect your wallet from here, and you can start earn this token. This is the dashboard. You have also dashboard of this token. Just log in with Web3 or GitHub or Google account, and you can use this token. If I scroll down, if I check this token here, this is based in AI models deployment at scale. You can also play the games and you can earn. This is new generation, guys. This is all about this token. You have also extension, as I say, brand option, white paper. You can read this white paper, this token. You have community on X, on Discord, on Telegram also, guys. You can check here this on Telegram with 3,000 member, with 244 member online. This token price $0.024. This token listed on popular exchange and the popular and best exchange like XSwap, Pancake, XSwap, and Binance Alpha, and Bitkit and L-Bank. The circulating supply 1 billion, total supply 10 billion of this token also. And if I check, the bullish is 79%. This is maybe good indicator, not bad for this token with 2,000 maybe 4% vote. The holders is 13,000 member, a huge member here for this holder with a lot of transaction here. Last 4 minutes, last 6 minutes, last 8 minutes. This is, keep in mind, this good indicator also here. And anyway, guys, before investing on this token, do your own research before investing. Unlock this 44 million of this token with the volume 26 million of this token, huge member. I see some engage on this community. Maybe this also good indicator. Someone expected this token over and break down of this price here. This is just guys, this is expected, just not real or something like this. Maybe anyway, guys, do your own research before investing. I give this token 7 on 10.